Hello students, welcome to this video tutorial on hashtag number of the day. So in this video tutorial, we're going to work on this section, placing our numbers on 3 different number lines. Okay? All right, let's begin. So you might be asking, why are there 3 number lines? We're going to get to that. So our number of the day is 12. So we have a number line here. So we can count it out. So 12 is a whole number. So let's count out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 ticks. So what I can do is I can start my number line with the number 0, and then I can count up by ones. Okay? So I'm going to count up by ones, make sure my scale is uniform. In other words, I'm not skipping any numbers. I'm going up by ones every time. So this is very important whenever you're given a number line is you have to label the number line correctly. So I'm going to number them all the way across. Okay? So our number of the day is 12. So in order to mark it, we place a large dot over the number line, or you can place it right on the number line. Okay? Either way. I should have used a different color, but that doesn't matter. Okay? So that's the simplest number line. So how can we place the number 12, our number of the day, on a different number line? Well, the secret is in the scale of how we number our number line. So if I start at 0 again, and instead of going up by ones, what if I go up by fives? So if I go up by fives, I want to keep my scale uniform. I want to count carefully up by fives. So I should be able to get up to 80 if I count it correctly. Let me double check. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Excellent. So now that I've changed the scale of my number line, where would the number of the day, 12, be on this number line? So I'm going to change colors here. So 12 is going to be between it's going to be between 10 and 15. So what is exactly between 10 and 15? Well, exactly in the middle of 10 and 15 is 12.5. So I'm going to put a little tick right there. That's where 12.5 is. Now 12.5 is slightly greater than our number of the day, 12. So it's going to be to the left of that little tick. So I'm going to place the dot right here. So you notice how the position of the dot has changed according to the scale that I have chosen. So in the first number line, the dot was way over here on the right hand side of the number line. But because I've changed the scale in the second number line, the dot, number of the day, 12, ends up on the left side. Okay? All right. So what about a third one? So again, you can choose your own scale. But you don't always have to start at 0 on the left line here. So what if I started here at 0, okay? And then I skipped a line, and then I went up by 100s. So essentially I'm going up by 50s, aren't I? If I skip one and go up by 100s, that means the slash or the point in the middle is 50. So if I skip a line and then I go up by 100, this is going to be 200. And then skip a line, and then I can go up, and this is going to be 300, and then skip a line, and then 400, and then skip a line, and then 500. Okay? All right. So where would the number of the day, 12, be on this number line? Well, again, halfway between 0 and 100 is going to be 50. Well, 12 is less than 50. So less than means to the left of that point. So what is halfway between 0 and 50? Well, halfway between 0 and 50 is going to be 25. So halfway between this point and this point, right here, I'm going to draw a small tick. That's going to be 25. Well, our number of the day is 12. Okay? So 12 is almost halfway between 0 and 25. So 12 on this number line is going to be very close to 0. So I'm going to place my dot right there for 12. Okay, and then what I can do is above the number line, I can label the position of that point. Okay, this one is obvious because it's right on the point. Okay, so that's how you use three different number lines to plot one single number of the day. All right, so this concludes this video tutorial on hashtag number of the day. Thanks for watching. Bye.